How to delete bookmarks on DuckDuckGo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete bookmarks on DuckDuckGo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up DuckDuckGo. Make sure that you've updated your app to the latest version. After you've updated your DuckDuckGo, on the bottom left hand, you will see a book option. So tap on that option and that will be your bookmarks. Not only bookmarks, you'll also be able to see your favorites right here. Now, after you're here, if you want to delete a bookmark, you can simply long press on the bookmark and swipe left. After you swipe left on the bookmark will get deleted. You can try to do that again, and that's basically how you do it. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Also, press the bell icon when we release our new videos.